Today, we're going to check out the Ecobee 4. My old school regular thermostat quit working. The Pro 1 Series 955, whatever, absolutely stinks. A week or so ago, it kind of quit working. The sensor on it didn't work that well. My upstairs would get super hot, my downstairs would get super cold, despite the fact that there's a second sensor actually upstairs, which I'll show you here in a second. The one exciting thing about the Ecobee 4 over the Nest and some of the other smart thermostats on the market was the fact that it has this little sensor. So let's unbox this bad girl and see what we got. It's a thermostat. That is the Ecobee. And on the back side, you have all of your normal thermostat plugs. This is the sensor unit, which I'm actually going to place in the separate room from the thermostat, either in my bedroom or downstairs. Not really sure which piece is going to go downstairs versus upstairs yet. We'll have to read through some instructions. Nice little note. Hi Ecobee team. Some instruction labels for the thermostat. How to set up Alexa voice. So the Ecobee 4 is also voice controlled. So you can talk directly to your Ecobee. Apparently you can play music, it'll tell you the weather. So it's fully Alexa enabled. And then we got an instruction manual on how to install this. Start your install guide. It looks pretty intuitive. So that way anyone can do so that's not an electrician, which is great because I'm not one. We have a level with our mounting brackets. We have our plug units that I guess will also connect into the power in some way. We've got screws, a QR code that I guess gives us some sort of instructions, and a clear mounting bracket of sorts. All right, so let's go and take this upstairs, see how well I can read instructions and get this thing installed. Let's do this.